I'm going to show you how to animate and make beautiful cards for friends and family. And first things first, what we do is you start out with a background. So you search your backgrounds, decide on one. I found this one. I like it a lot. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to insert an image, not an image, a shape. Where did I go? Shapes. Okay, you get that shape. That's going to go straight across as a banner. You put that here. Now you're going to format that. First we want the color white, and then you're going to custom to make it transparent, go halfway. Then you're going to insert your writing. For time's sake, I've already done this here. So let's move it down, put them in order. Come on, down, down. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, and you're going to insert it on your slide. Since I've done it already, it's here. And then you're going to animate. Now it's going to have to fly in and fly out. So I want it to go in from the left and animate again. And you're going to go fly out from the right. Okay, remember, you must always do each one twice. Let's get the second line. We've done that line. Goodbye, that line. Then I'm going to find my next line. Do, 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 do. Okay, this is a good one for a second line. I'll copy that one, put it on my slide. I'm going to put it in the same position. And I'm going to add two animations, 1, 2. And the first one is going to fly in from the left, and the second one will be flying out from the right. Okay, it's still not doing it. Sometimes you're going to click on it a couple times. There. Okay. To make it easier, you slide it down so you can see. It's there. I just couldn't see it. Fly out from the right. Okay, so we did May the Spirit. It's gone now. And I'm going to do this one next. Control C, Control V. And I'm going over the next part. Like I said, to match, double animate, 1, 2. And you'll see them that they're at the bottom. They both say fly, fade in, fade in. So we're going to do fly in from the left, fly out from the right. Slide that down, fly out from the right, in from the left, out from the right. Okay? And we've got this one now. Control. Okay, and just put it straight on top. Double animate, and you're going to have to go down, fly in from the left, and add your second animation, fly out from the right. This would be the last one. Well, I did that one. Okay. Thank God I looked. The last one is signing your card. And again, just place it right over. Add animation. Fly in from the left. I can't see it. Okay, there it is. Okay. This one only you have to fly in because it's the end of the card, so there's no need for it to fly out. So fly in from the left. Finally. Goodbye. Now you find your Bitmoji. Place yourself in the scene. And then, I can get rid of that one. I want to add music. Go insert audio. Please remember you must download it onto your own drive. If you don't download it on the drive, then they will, and make sure you share that link so people can see it. Select. It's coming on. And I'm going to put that right up there. And finally, I want to add some falling snow. But before we do that, let's see the music. We want it to start automatically, and it will loop. It will just continue to play. Now I'm going to Giphy to find some pretty snow. Let's see. Falling snow. Do-do-do-do-do. Decisions, decisions, decisions. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, now click the link. I want to be able to see the snowflake. I don't want it to be too small, yet I don't want it too big. Okay, I like this one. Just click it. You see it says link copied. Make sure it says link copied. Now you're going to insert image, URL, Control V. La la la. Oh, it's there. It's white. Don't see it. Okay. Aw, that's really pretty. Now you're going to move your snow over to the top. I use my arrows. Makes it much easier here. And you do not want to distort it too much. So yeah, that's more than enough. So you can Control D, 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 and just keep moving it. Do, 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 do. Okay. Now, if you notice, it's covering my Bitmoji, and it's probably going to cover the writing as well. So what you do is you grab each object, right-click, order, send to the back. Grab the next one, right-click, order, send to the back. Get back there. And the last one, order, right-click, send to the back. Now the snow is behind the picture. Last step, file, publish to web, start the slideshow immediately, and in Control C, and then you're going to Control V, and you should see your slideshow now. Out it goes. Okay, so it's like the way I like it. The only problem is the music is just a little bit too loud. So let's do that music. Volume down. You go here and you slide the volume down. You don't want the kids to be deaf. So now this is what you have. Now I've created an advent calendar, and I have a Bitmoji on the end of my advent calendar that you can find on Teachers Pay Teachers. And what you can just grab that one, because I'm now linking this card to it, and then you can customize the card. So again, we have the right link, and I go over to my advent calendar. First of all, hold on. I slide. Oh, here it is. Yeah, that one's not playing, so we have to replace that link. So what I've got to do is exit. Ah, there it is. Exit out of that advent calendar. Come here. Exit. Exit. Okay. Add. I'm like, why is it not moving? Okay, so here I have to update, not erase the picture. Okay. Move it up. Okay. Let's sit here. It's all right. I'll fix it in a second. Edit the link. Control V. Apply. And then put my picture back in there. Lost my little Bitmoji because I grabbed it. Then I put that back at the bottom. There, we are all set. So this is how you, first of all, you create a beautiful card in a Google slide, publish it so that it plays for the kids, and then you give them this wonderful calendar for the holidays. And the very last day, tell them, don't forget to click on your teacher for the last day. And then what will happen when they click the teacher is it'll lead to their card. And the card will play. In, out. In, out. Okay. So this concludes the training for the Christmas cards, but you can do birthday cards, Christmas cards, any kind of card. And I hope you have a wonderful evening or day. Teacher Brenda signing out. Bye.